Learning to invest is boring as f***, and it's hard to find people to relate with. At least, that's how it was for me. If you're looking for this on this channel, you have a better chance of finding Waldo on Christmas Day at a candy cane factory after all the elves were slaughtered by Freddy, Cougar, and Piru bloods from Compton. Good luck. Hit it. Stop. Look, normally I would hit the opener here, but this video ain't about all of that right now. I just want to hit y'all with a quick introduction to the channel and to warm you up to the way we do things here, as inevitably, it's probably going to be different than what you're used to for an investing channel. You're probably looking at me like, who the f is this guy? He has a ponytail, he wears hoodies and unicorn shirts, he's not blue-eyed, fair-skinned, or rocking suits and ties, but why is this strangely entertaining? This has to be some kind of clickbait, and just by looking at him, he knows absolutely nothing about investing. So here's what we'll do. I'll explain to you 1, what I've done with investing. 2, a bit about my past. Lastly, my style and why. So I started investing into stocks, cryptos, and real estate about 3 to 4 years ago, and in my first 2 to 3 years, I turned $1K into a $40,000 to $45,000 account value, which is really me flexing and letting you know I've been doing this for a short while now, and I know stuff, so you should probably listen to me. On the flip side, my 3rd year of investing, I lost half of my account value swing trading, which is the opposite of me flexing and another way of me saying I'm not a financial advisor, and if you want financial advice, you should seek assistance from a professional. But I've never been one to be defeated, and with each lesson, not loss, I learned something and become even stronger. So my 4th year of investing, I recouped my losses, and I'm actually doing a lot better than I was before. Lesson learned. And the learning never stops. Not bad for a kid who was practically homeless for the first 3 years of his life in the Bronx, and then lived in a shack with no running water in a junkyard next to a flea market for the next 3 to 4 years of his life on a beautiful island called Guam. Not bad for a kid who had 2 kids by the age of 19 and a 3rd by 21. Not bad for a kid that came from that and now lives a mile from the beach in a home he just bought. Life is tough, y'all. I came from nothing, and I made a lot of decisions that made my life harder. If there's anyone that has learned the art of making something out of nothing and digging himself out of holes, it's this guy. So my style and why. I'm sure you all are used to the traditional method of learning or digesting information, i.e. sit down in class and watch this one person heave loads of information down your throat like a mother bird to her chicklets. Everyone thinks it looks like this. Oh, cute. But in reality, it's more like this. Look, I'm a network engineer. My whole life is reading white papers and studying for certifications and training. Plus, I'm an avid reader and I love to learn. I've read tons of books and taken tons of online courses on investing in stocks, real estate, and cryptos. I've been a real estate investor for the past 3 years and stocks and cryptos for 4. Quite frankly, a lot of the training I've taken is like giving sleeping pills to a narcoleptic. It's great information, but the delivery is boring. So I read a quote by Walt Disney himself that will summarize my style. I would rather entertain and hope that people learn something than educate people and hope they were entertained. My goal is to take really difficult and over-explained topics and simplify them into digestible bits, all while being entertained. I'm going to give you the least amount of information while mitigating the most amount of risk in order to get you investing as quick as possible. If throughout the video you were laughing or crying or whatever and then you say, damn, I actually learned something, I'd be a happy person. If you didn't get it, the whole point of this video was to share with you my investing history, give you a short glimpse into my past as a human, and then explain my teaching style. It all boils down to being open-minded. I know you're used to learning one kind of way, but it's the year 2021. You have options. Lastly, don't judge a book by its cover. I'm not your traditional investor, and I've become very successful the way I am. They say dress for the job you want, not the job you have. I'm not chasing this. I'm chasing this. This. If you can get with this message, go ahead and smash the like button. Comment below about how you feel about traditional investing channels and talking heads. If you like my South Park, Howard Stern infused style of talking about investing, go ahead and superscribe. Yes, superscribe, which means subscribe and hit that notification bell so you ensure you get notifications for all the latest videos. I'm Sean McMurray, and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive. Yeah.